trappers, check it out. We are out here in Middlebury, Indiana. Where is it at? There it is, Middlebury, Indiana, at the Essen Haus Classic Car Cruising season finale for 2024. Look at this ocean of cars back here behind me. Look at this VW. Ooh, you hear them, guys. Check this out. Field of cars. But we're out here, 2024 season finale, guys. Look at these old rods behind me. Freaking awesome. Another great year in the books. Out here, we're going to check out all the cars, all the rides. Thanks everybody for coming out, having a good time. That's what it is. Let's flip this camera around and do it to it.
I grew up on the Crown side, the New York Times side. Staying alive is no job, had second hands. My bounce don't old man, so then we moved to Shelby land. Ooh, cash rules everything around me. Great, get the money, dollar bill. Cash rules everything around me. Great, get the money, dollar bill. Young you rockin' the go-to, low boost. The only way I begin the G-off was Newton. Let's start it like this. Son, rolling with this one, with that one, pulling out gaps for fun. Ooh, cash rules everything around me. We get the money, dollar bill. Cash rules everything around me. We get the money, dollar bill. But it was just a dream for the teen who was a fiend, started smoking movies at 16 and running up in gates and doing hits for high stakes, making my way on fire escapes. Ooh, cash rules everything around me. Get the money, dollar bill. Cash rules everything around me. Get the money, dollar bill. No question, I was speed for cracks and weed. The combination made my eyes bleed. No question, I would blow up and try to get the dough on, sticking up white boys in ball courts. Ooh. My life got no better, same damn no sweater. Times is rough and tough like leather. Figured out I went the wrong route, so I got with a sick ass click and went all out, catching keys from cross seas, rolling in MPVs. Every week we made 40 G's. Young nigga respect mine, or here go the Tech 9 to check out. Move from the gate now. Cash rules everything around me. Get the money, dollar bill. Cash rules everything around me. Get the money, dollar bill. It's been 22 long hard years, I'm still struggling. Survival got me bugging, but I'm alive on arrival. I beat back the shape of the streets, stay awake to the ways of the world. The shit is deep. I'm mad with a dream, with plans to make cream, which failed. I went to jail at the age of 15, a young pup selling drugs and such, who never had much, trying to get a clutch at what I could not. Cash rules everything around me. Get the money, dollar bill. The court played me short, now I'm fixing incarceration. Pacing, going upstate's my destination. Handcuff is for the of us. Life as a shorty shouldn't be so rough, but as the world turned, I learned life is hell. Living in the world, no different from a cell. Every day I escape from Jake's giving chase, selling mace, smoking bones in the staircase. Cash rules everything around me. Get the money, dollar bill. Though I don't know why I chose to smoke cess, I guess that's the time when I'm not depressed, but I'm still depressed. And I ask what's it worth, ready to give up. So I seek the old earth who explain working hard may help you maintain, to learn to overcome the heartache. $100 bill. Though I don't know why I chose to smoke cess. I guess that's the time when I'm not depressed, but I'm still depressed, and I ask what's it worth.
Bitch, we out here. Woo! All the way to Dummy Way. All the way. 55 one Long Beach. Woo! All the way to Dummy Way. All the way. 55 one. 5150. All the way to Dummy Way.
Next we're gonna go in Pepsi basket.
So,
Pepsi basket.
sold my first rock in '96. Straight off the porch, daddy gone, never coming home. That's all I know. So I headed out the door, strapped up, ready to roll. Get this stuffed up, fucked up, off that Hemi and XO. With that liquor in me, I don't do the shit myself. Fuck the consequences. Have all your niggas jumping fences. So you see, we out here. Woo! All the way to Dummy Way. All the way. All the way to Dummy Way. Fuck with me, die slow. So my first rock at '96. Straight off the porch, daddy gone, never coming home. That's all I know. So I headed out the door, strapped up, ready to roll. Get stuffed up, fucked up, off that Henny and XO. I've been dumb, wrapping around from when I drop a niggas come, boss man job done. After dark is Jurassic Park, velociraptors trying to throw the green leaves. We all G's, main in the grave, behind some fucking bullshit. So when it's time to bust a case, I'm gon' bullshit out of here. Dead meat for you and your whole street. I roll with you roll with me. That's it's supposed to be. We gangsters out there. But nigga, all the way to Dummy Way. All the way 155 one. Bitch, we out here. But nigga, all the way to Dummy Way. All the way 155 one. 3x3, R.I.P. Rest in peace. We that boss gangsta shit. Play now, cry later, man. Feed you to the gators, man. Try to send a message, that's why I got that fuck you haters chain. Since 10 I've been a beast. Ain't hard to find, I'm in the streets. Rockin' monster in the club. Burn your ass instantly. I get monster in the club. Right, bitch, we out here. All the way to Dummy Way. All the way, 155 one. Bitch, we out here. What nigga? All the way to Dummy Way. All the way, 155 one. Bitch, we out here. What nigga? All the way, 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 55 one.
I got front, back, and side to side. Never let go. Gold diggers ride. I got front, back, and side to side. Never let go. Gold diggers ride. I got a 64 Chevy in my yard. A white drop top, pearl paint job is hard. White brush inside is fresh. triple O, double A, Dayton's is the best. I got them 16 switches like Drake. That's where I'm from, fool, that's what everybody play. UGK, one written smooth on my plates, cause real pimp players don't never roll fake. I got front, back, and side to side. Never let no gold diggers ride. I got front, back, and side to side. Never let no gold diggers ride. About to hit the way, get past Troy's. I'm dipping by myself. About to call up my boys. I pass by the coat, I see some women looking fine. I hit the corner one more time to see the booty from behind.
Let's hear it, man.
Hook the high.
Let's hear it.
I see some women looking fine. I hit the corner one more time to see the booty from behind. Gold diggers ride. I got front, back, and side to side. Never let go. Gold diggers ride. Got to the corner, and side to side. Never let go. Never let go. Gold diggers ride. Got to the corner. I got front, back, and side to side. Never let go. Gold diggers ride. It's pimpin', I'm hitting switches, checking out my strap, making sure he snitches. Ain't stopping riches, 5-0 on my back. But I keep on dipping, steady pimpin', kicking house about the winter, man. I'm chillin', hiding in with it, pocket fillets.
Haters in my face, damn near every day, asking a million questions. Like, Jack, where you stay? Tell them College Park, redeye chop cars, 20 grand spin, a grand at the bar. Just bought a zone, J's on my feet, I'm on that Patron, so get like me. 69 Cutlass with the bucket seats, beat in my trunk, bought it just for the freaks. Meet me in the trap, it's going down, it's going down. Meet me in the mall, it's going down. Meet me in the club, it's going down. Anywhere you meet me, guaranteed to go down. Catch me in the hood, posted at the store, pistol in my lap on T-phone, counting dough. If a girl choose, let her do a thing, just like her mama. Nice ass, nice brain, everybody love me, I'm so fly. Niggas know the deuce is a time I ride by. I know you wonder why I'm so cool. Don't ask me, just do what you do, okay? Meet me in the trap, it's going down, it's going down, it's going down. Meet me in the mall, it's going down. Meet me in the club, it's going down. Anywhere you meet me, guaranteed to go down. Verse number 2, do the damn thing. Cubes on my neck, pockets full of band frame. When I'm in the mall, hoes just pause. I pop a few tags, give me that on the wall. Time to flip the work, make the block bomb. Boys from the hood, call me Black Donald Trump. Dope boy magic, 7 days a week. #1 record, long as Gina wanna beat. Meet me in the trap, it's going down, it's going down, it's going down. Meet me in the mall, it's going down. Meet me in the club, it's going down.
Lights, camera, action when I walk through the door. Niggas know my crew is certified stars. Valet in the front by 35 cars. Bitches in the back like Beamer coupes. Girls like girls, time to recruit. If you got a problem, say it to my face. We can knuckle up anytime, any place. Meet me in the trap, it's going down. It's going down. It's going down. Meet me in the mall, it's going down. Meet me in the club, it's going down. Anywhere you meet me, guaranteed to go down.
We stand out like bird shit on a black shoe.